Hi, hello, welcome to Competitive Agriculture. In this video, I have to discuss very important bits for in agriculture. In agriculture, how much subjects are there? All subject bits are discussed briefly in this video, and these agriculture discipline bits are very important for Department of Agriculture examinations, and these also very important for bank preparation. The aspirants who are preparing for banks also very important. And recently UPPSC also focus on agriculture bits. They are giving more than 12 bits also. So in this video I have to tell very important bits for not only Department of Agriculture. It will useful for Department of Agriculture and who are the preparing for bank examinations, and they also got benefits. And finally, public service also, they will ask agriculture questions, basic questions. So it should be used for all disciplines, not only agriculture. The people who are preparing UPSC also, because they are not prefer agriculture as a subject, but they will ask maybe in recently also they will ask 12 to 13 questions in agriculture. So this is agriculture. So this agriculture, competitive agriculture in channel, we have to focus, and we have to focus on very important questions, all disciplines of agriculture. And these are very important plus public services and Department of Agriculture and bank examination and upper life UPPSC also. So first question, it is belong to economic question. The term agriculture economics, the term micro and macroeconomics was first used by. So the term micro and macroeconomics first used by scientist Frisch. Friends, I am discussing saying one thing. Generally, I am focused on answers. I am not explaining all options, but remember that all options also very important, because these options are maybe another question's answers. So the people who are seeing this video, please focus on four options, but remembering correct answer also. So once again I will repeat it. The people who are seeing this video, please focus on four options, and please memorize the correct answer also. So these four options may be answer for the another questions, so it will be used in future. So this is first question. Next question, Wealth of Nations book written by, very important and very famous question. Wealth of Nations book written by Smith. He is father of economics, we are known. Next question is also coming under economic question. The following good which are externally non-transferable, the following good which are non-material and non-transferable good, this is also came under agriculture economics. The following good which are externally non-transferable and non-material, that is nothing but friendship. Next question, MUA is equal to 2, TUA is equal to TUA minus 1 equation noted that the which principal law. So MUA is equal to 2UA is equal to TUA minus 1 equation noted that which principle, that is nothing but law of LDMU, law of diminishing margin utility. So this law of diminishing marginal utility we are mainly focused because this type of utility we are observed in agriculture, law of marginal utility. So very important question. And next question, biochemical nature of virus explained by. So biochemical nature of virus is explained by M.W. Stanley. The scientist M.W. Stanley explained the biochemical nature of viruses. And next question, budding type of asexual reproduction. Budding type of asexual reproduction present in which microorganism? Very important. Budding is one of the propagation method, that is asexual propagation method. It is mainly occur in Saccharomyces cerevisiae. This is nothing but generally we are this fungi Saccharomyces cerevisiae we are using for preparation of bread. So this is also known as bread fungi. Bread fungi is nothing but Saccharomyces cerevisiae. The asexual reproduction of Saccharomyces is budding. So budding type of asexual reproduction mainly observed in which organism means, that is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. And next question, which type of asexual fruiting body observed in Coltotrichum? Very important. Coltotrichum is a very important fungi, because it is mainly caused to fruit rots in most of the fruits and vegetables also. So the which type of fruiting body is present in Coltotrichum, asexual fruiting body present in Coltotrichum is nothing but Acerevellus. And next question coming under grass tetany disease occur due to deficiency of which nutrient? Very important. Grass tetany is nothing but grass tetany is disease occur due to deficiency of magnesium. So when magnesium deficiency is very high, so that causes grass tetany in buffaloes. So this is observed in grasses where magnesium deficiency is very high, the grass tetany will come. So the quality of milk is reduced gradually. Next question. Iodine test useful for identification of which paddy disease? Very important. So iodine test is useful for the identification of Rice-Tungro disease. So Rice-Tungro disease is a virus disease. It is the main vector for Rice-Tungro virus is Nipoticus virescens. Next question. Green ear disease observed in which crop? Green ear disease we are observed in bajra. Very important. Green ear is nothing but the inflorescence will change to inflorescence. The inflorescence of bajra will change and retarded. So retarded it will change to green ear. So that's why this is called as a green ear. It is only observed in bajra, fungal disease. Next question. Yellow slime disease popularly known as a Tundu disease. Yellow slime disease popularly known as a Tundu disease. This disease observed in wheat crop. This is also Tundu disease is very severely observed in wheat crop. Next question. Central Institute for Jute and Allied Fiber located at West Bengal. Next question. High healing variety program initiation in which year? High healing variety program initiation in 1966, and 1972 is the ICRISAT, and 1963 is the National Seed Corporation. And next question. India, which agroclimate zone has been came under highest forest area? India, which agroclimate zone has been came under highest forest area? That is nothing but Western Himalayas. Western Himalayas came under highest forest area. And next question. The per capita land availability low and highest population density located in which agroclimate zone? The per capita land availability low and highest population density located in which agroclimate zone here? That is nothing but lower Gangetic zone. So lower Gangetic zone we are observing the land availability is very low, but that population density is very high. And next question. The optimum depth of sowing for most of the field crops range. The optimum depth of sowing for most of the field crops range between dash. The optimum depth of sowing rate for field crops range between 3 to 5. And next question. The competition between the same genotype. Known as. So the competition between the same genotype known as the intra-competition. That is nothing but intra-competition. And next question. Best example for the soil amendments. Very important. The soil amendments are nothing but the chemical which are the developed the soil properties. Nothing but soil amendments. Example is gypsum. But all except gypsum, all options in this question came under green leaf manurings. Next question. 19th. Parthenium histophorus cause the following disease in human beings. Parthenium histophorus cause the following disease in human beings. Parthenium histophorus nothing but this is a very dangerous weed, and it is also called as a grass, Congress grass, carrot grass, and railway wheat also. Because of Parthenium histophorus we got allergy disease. So most of the pollen grains are very dangerous to human being. It's cause allergy. And next question. Growing of plants of different heights in same field at the same time. Growing of plants different heights in same time called as, that is nothing but multi-storied cropping. Next question. The spear called as the seat of feathering phenomena, very very important. The spear called as the seat of feathering phenomena, nothing but it is, this question come under meteorology. So the spear called as the seat of feather phenomena, nothing but that is troposphere. We are classified the atmosphere as a total 5 sphere. That is the first sphere, that is one of the sphere is the troposphere. So troposphere called as the seat of feathering phenomena. Next question. Moisture conservation practice are necessary for the crop production of dash farming type. So moisture conservation practice are necessary for the dash cropping pattern, nothing but that is dry farming and dry land farming. Next question. ICRISAT classified the semi-arid tropics in India by adopting dash classification. Very very important question. It is came under agronomy and also meteorology. So ICRISAT classified the semi-arid tropics in India by adopting Trolls classification. Very very important. Next question. Lead banks in India. Lead banks in India recommended by which committee? Lead banks in India, very very important. Lead banks also called as district banks. District banks. Another name is lead banks is district banks. These are recommended by Nariman committee. Recommended by Nariman committee. And next question. RRB started from which date? RRB is nothing but regional rural banks. It is regional rural bank started in October 2, 1975. So regional rural bank is nothing but development of rural people. So most of the rural people we are initiation Mahatma Gandhi birthday. So October 2, 1975. And next question. The pasteurization process, the microbes avoid the juice by heating dash temperature and dash minute. Very very important process. Pasteurization process, we had avoid the contamination with use of heating and temperature. That heating is 62.8 degrees centigrade and 30 minutes. So we are heating juice by pasteurization process at 62.8 degrees and 30 minutes. We will reduce the contamination losses. Next question. Who introduced the practice of isolation single cell of fungi and their cultivation on solid media? The person who introduced the practice of isolation of single cell of fungi and their cultivation on solid media, nothing but Eppert. Scientist Eppert introduced the isolation of single cell of fungi. Next, induction of mutations by chemicals in fungus Aspergillus was demonstrated by, very very important. Induction of mutations by chemicals in fungus Aspergillus was demonstrated by the scientist Arya Steinberg. Induction of chemical mutations in fungus Aspergillus was first demonstrated by the scientist Arya Steinberg. The Aspergillus is a very very important fungi we are observing in groundnut, because the groundnut quality is reduced by Aspergillus, and also we are focusing Aspergillus as called as a laboratory weed. Very very important. Laboratory weed is called as a Aspergillus. So induction of mutation chemicals in fungus are demonstrated by Eppert. The return that are sacrificed from the next best alternate called as the returns that are sacrificed from the next best alternate called as the alternate cost. It is came under agriculture economics bit. Next question. Gross income must be concentration by the livestock percentage in mixed farming. Gross income must be contributed by the livestock percentage in mixed farming. So that is nothing but 10%. 10% of gross income occurred in mixed farming. So gross income must be contributed by the livestock per mixed farming is 10%. And next question. Which are the system of farming below given options? Very very important question. Which are the system of farming below the given options? The option C, estate farming is the system of farming, and except estate farming, all options are come under types of farming. And next question. The processing function add which type of utility to the product by changing raw material into finished form. Very very important. The processing function add which type of utility to the production by changing raw material into finishing form, that is nothing but farm utility. So simple question, the utility, which type of utility given the raw material when raw material change to finished form, that is nothing but farm utility. Farm utility, very important this question. And next question, which market are the total volume based transaction? So nothing but which market are the volume based transaction, nothing but retail markets. Retail markets always based on volume based. Next question, the tertiary function of market, very important. The tertiary function of market is banking, and we also focus what is the primary function of market and what is the secondary function of market also. Next question, the middleman who take title to the product with a view of to making profit on air called. So the middleman who taken title of the product with a view of the making the profit on it are called dash, that is nothing but speculative middleman. Next question, an example for the protogeny, very important. An example for the protogeny, nothing but bajra. Protogeny means the female organisms are developed initially, then male organisms will develop. Next question, 1 bar equal to dash lab in square. So 1 bar is equal to 14.6 lab 6, and these 4 options also very important. Next question, the PF value the PF value at 0.33 bar. PF value is given by scientist Schofield. So it is the we are calculate the soil moisture retention and tension also. So PF value at 0.03 bar, nothing but 2.52, that is nothing but field capacity PF value. Next question, infiltrability or infiltrate rate calculated by, nothing but infiltrability or infiltrate rate is calculated by Q by A. Q by A into T. Q by A into T. Q means quantity, A means area into time. That is given the infiltrability or infiltration rate. Next question, the water which are only available for the microorganism, very important. The water which are only available for the microorganism, nothing but hygroscopic water. The hygroscopic water is only available to the microorganisms because next question, indirect method for estimation of soil moisture content in the soil. Indirect method for estimation of soil moisture content in the soil is nothing but tensiometer, because we are indirectly calculate the, without touching the soil, we are indirect with help of tensiometer we will calculate. That's why this is indirect method. And gravimetric method, volumetric method, and burning method also we are directly calculate the soil moisture content. Next, the weed which act as a main host for the hair caterpillar in castor crop. So the weed which has act as a main host for the hairy caterpillar in castor crop, nothing but that is Crotalaria. And next question, Commelina benglensis weed act as an indicator for the identification of which metal, that is nothing but copper. Commelina benglensis an indicator for the identification of copper metal. The weed which is used for the best remedy for the control of jaundice, this is very important. The weed which is used best remedy for control of jaundice, this is nothing but Phyllanthus nerori, very important. Phyllanthus nerori is the jaundice, it is used for jaundice, and Leucus aspirate is used as a snake bite. So the weed which is used for best remedy for control of jaundice disease is Phyllanthus nerori. Next question, mimicry weed for the tea crop, very important. Mimicry weed for tea crop is nothing but Loranthus. So what is the mimicry weed? Definition is terminology very important. Mimicry weed means it is resemble to crop. So crop what like it is resemble to crop. Next question, which seed dispersal agent in Physalis minima, weed seed dispersal agent in Physalis minima weed. Weed seed dispersal agent in Physalis minima is nothing but balloons. Balloons are the dispersing agents in Physalis minima. Physalis minima is a prolonged weed. So the dispersing agent in Physalis minima is balloons. When balloons are swelled and burned, seeds are dispersed. Next question. So very important question. So weed dispersal agent in Physalis minima is balloons. When balloons are swelled and burned, that seed will disperse. Next question. The rice species which are known as the Bulu varieties. The rice species which are known as the Bulu variety, that is nothing but Javanicas. Javanicas known as the Bulus varieties. Next question. Mid-season drainage operation used in which crop? Mid-season drainage operation used in which crop? Nothing but rice. Rice is the intercultivation operation in rice is nothing but mid-season drainage. And next question. Corn contain dash oil percentage. Corn contain 4% oil percentage. Next question. Green drum protein percentage, very important. Green drum protein percentage 24. And next question. Which of the following oil seed is the most which of the following oil seed is the oil seed crop best example for the vermicide action? Very important question. Which of the following oil seed crop best example for the vermicide action? Nothing but that is option D, castor. And next question. Committee ICOC was established in dash year to increase the oil seed production through the coordinated research effort. So the committee ICOC was established in 1947 for increase in the oil seed production. Rhizobium strain for Kharif groundnut. So rhizobium strain for Kharif groundnut is nothing but NC92. Black seeded sesame variety. Black seeded sesame variety is Krishna. Krishna is the black seeded sesame variety. Next question. What is the best ratio in intercropping sesame and cowpea in intercropping system? What is the best ratio for intercropping sesame and cowpea intercropping system? That is nothing but 8:1. Next question. The heliotropic movement present in which crop? Very, very important. The heliotropic movement present in which crop? That is nothing but sunflower. Next question. An example for the natural dye. An example for the natural dye oil seed, nothing but safflower. Safflower is the best example for the natural dye oil. Next question. So, an example for the natural dye oil seed, nothing but safflower. Next question. Dash crop popularly called as the wonder crop. Very, very. Dash crop popularly called as the wonder crop. That is nothing but soybean. Soybean called as the wonder crop. Next question. Cotton have a foreign material which reduce the quality. Cotton can be quality can be identified which instrument. So nothing but when cotton contain foreign material, so that to foreign material identify quality will identify which instrument. Nothing but that is Serli analyzer. Serli analyzer. Serli analyzer is the instrument which is used for the identification of foreign material in cotton. So the adulteration we will easily observe with help of Serli analyzer. So Serli analyzer is the useful for the quality identification of cotton. Next question. Which state was occupied the leading position in jute crop production? Very important. Which state was occupied leading in the position of jute crop production? Nothing but West Bengal. West Bengal. Next question. Sugarcane crop planting in flatbeds mostly used in the which state? So sugarcane crop planting in flatbeds are mostly used in Maharashtra. So generally we are using ridge and furrow system, but in Maharashtra they are using flatbeds. Rubbing or rabbing or rubbing is a soil sterilization operation done in which crop? Rabbing soil sterilization operation done in which crop? That is but tobacco. Rabbing is a soil sterilization process. It is used in tobacco. Next question. The forest branch which tells about the knowledge of the behavior of the natural enemies. The forest branch which tells about the knowledge of the and behavior of the natural enemies, nothing but forest protection. So totally 7 branches of forest. This one of the branch, forest protection. It explains about the knowledge of behavior of natural enemies in forest. And next question. First forestry policy started in which year? Very important. First forestry policy started in 1891. Next question. Pneumatophores present in which rooting system? Very important. Pneumatophores present in which rooting system? So that is nothing but mangrove root system. Mangrove root systems contain pneumatophores. Next question. Which planting system mostly suitable for the sandy coastal area? Very important. Which planting type most suitable for the sandy coastal area? Nothing but brick planting. Next question. The problematic soils of salinization, alkalization soil, total occupied area in India. So the problematic soils, salinization, alkalization soils, totally occupied in area is around 10.1 million hectares. The areas which from non-availability of groundnut due to perennial overdraft of is known as the areas which are non-availability of groundwater due to perennial overdraft are known as the area which are non-availability of groundwater due to perennial overdraft known as, that is nothing but dark area. So the area which are non-availability of groundwater due to perennial overdraft known as the dark area. And the next question. The word greenhouse effect was recognized by. So the word greenhouse effect is recognized by J.B. Fourier. J.B. Fourier is the person first time used the greenhouse effect term. The safe limit nitrate content in drinking water for control of blue baby syndrome. Very important question. Soil pollution accept. The safe limit nitrate content in drinking water for control of blue baby syndrome. There is nothing but 10 milligrams nitrate per liter. That is the safe limit. These are the first part of our paper, competitive agriculture video, and we are focused on second part, because if I give more content, the video will be lag. So another bits, next step bits, part 2 I send as a part 2. So thank you, and please focus on these videos. Thank you.